Ever wondered what would happen to your investments if your robo-advisors suddenly vanished? It's a question many investors, especially those new to robo-advisors like StashAway, might have lurking in the back of their minds. We trust these platforms with our hard-earned money, but what happens if the company behind them closes down? It's a valid concern, and one we're going to tackle head-on today. Let's be clear, StashAway is a regulated entity. This means they operate under the watchful eye of financial authorities. These regulations are in place to protect investors like you and me. One of the key safeguards is the segregation of assets. This means your money isn't just sitting in StashAway's bank account. It's held separately, usually in a trust account, with a custodian bank. Think of it like a safety deposit box. The bank holds the box, but you own the contents. This separation is crucial because it means that even if StashAway were to face financial difficulties, your investments are shielded from their creditors. Now, let's dive into the what-if scenario. If StashAway were to close down, the primary concern is the management of your investments. The good news is that your assets are still yours. They don't disappear. What would happen is that the regulatory authorities would likely step in to oversee the transition. They might appoint a liquidator or another financial institution to take over the management of your portfolio. The goal is to ensure a smooth transfer and minimize any disruption to your investments. You might be thinking, okay, my money is safe, but what about the fees? What about the rebalancing? These are important questions. During the transition period, there might be some temporary changes in how your portfolio is managed. The appointed entity would likely communicate with you about any changes in fees or services. In most cases, the aim is to maintain the investment strategy as closely as possible to what you had with StashAway. However, some adjustments might be necessary depending on the situation. Another crucial point is access to your funds. Even if StashAway closes, you still retain ownership of your investments. You'll still be able to access your money. The process might involve transferring your portfolio to another brokerage account or working with the appointed liquidator to withdraw your funds. Again, the regulatory authorities would oversee this process to ensure it's done fairly and efficiently. It's also worth noting that the chances of a large, regulated robo-advisor like StashAway simply vanishing overnight are relatively slim. These companies are subject to ongoing financial audits and reporting requirements. However, it's always prudent to be prepared for any eventuality. That's why understanding the safeguards in place and the process for handling such a situation is so important. So, to recap, your money is held separately, not mixed with StashAway's operational funds. In the event of closure, your assets remain yours, and regulatory bodies will manage the transition. You'll still have access to your funds. While some temporary changes might occur, the goal is to maintain your investment strategy and minimize disruption. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.